Alright everyone, what we have today, focus, so Winkhaus Euro, there's our bidding, it's fun looking, does turn it. I think the only saving grace for this one is it's only a 5-penner. But they're a doozy of a 5-pen. I am going to use an 18 thousandths Peterson standard hook. Felt a very, very slight rotation on the core there. Nothing to get excited about yet though, as I have never successfully picked this lock. Oh wait, I have once. It was quite by accident though. I was just going crazy. What do they call it? Bitch picking. Doesn't really count. I have to apply more tension. I'm not feeling. That's it. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but I have mangled my pick getting it around this warding. So this thing better pick. Oh, there we go. I don't know if that was worth that, but we got her open. Gotta say thank you to Tony S for the lock. This one has been a lot of fun. Should I gut it? Oh, that ring isn't like a C-clip. It's on there. It's a solid ring around the back. I don't really know how to get that off without cutting it. I think I will save gutting this one for next time. I don't have any extra C-clips to put on there in case I break it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Well, I forgot this is a euro, so yeah, that's the right way. You can tell I'm tired. I just got off work. Anyway, everyone, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Not sure what the model of this Winkhaus is, so I will have to look it up and put it in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back soon with more videos. Have a great day.